The WeatherSmith storm coverage is sponsored by Alliance Maintenance.
Hello, everybody. Noon update Saturday, April 25th. Welcome to WeatherSmith. We've got severe weather to talk about. Everybody's in some form of severe weather risk. I mean, we've got all three in the local area and then four just outside of the local area. All modes of severe weather are going to be possible today. Breaking this down here, tornado risk. We're in the low risk of seeing a tornado. However, if we do see one, it's going to be a stronger tornado, so EF2, EF3. Just south of Tulsa, or I would say probably Tulsa and south, we start getting in the territory of EF3, EF4 category with a higher percentage of actually seeing one. So just a heads up. All right, moving over to hail. Everybody's in some form of hail. We're looking between, I would say, $50 to just under baseball size hail today, depending on where you're at. Of course, south of Tulsa is probably going to be your best shot for seeing anything like this. Wind is going to be another concern. Widespread 60 to 70 mile per hour winds in the strong storms. All right, switching over here to the model. We're actually using the NSSL model guidance here to break this down a little better than what we normally do with HRRR. So this is 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5 o'clock. Notice that cell south of Wichita, already a hook, already a well-defined supercell. And then by 6 o'clock, we start seeing additional supercells just blow up across Oklahoma here. Look at that, 7 o'clock, massive environment for shear and supercellular activity. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, midnight, it's out of here. So we got a brief period, but boy, do we have some very intense supercells developing. Primary concern definitely northeastern Oklahoma, and I would say by 5 o'clock, even 4 o'clock, we would probably have a tornado watch issued, maybe even a PDS event just localized, or at least an MCD for localized. And then warnings by 6 o'clock for sure across the area. So again, really focused northeastern Oklahoma for this, but definitely everybody's in a risk for severe weather today, so just keep your eyes to the sky. All right, that's it for the noon update. We'll just continue watching stuff. As more information comes in throughout the day, I will definitely have updates to provide. All right, have a good one.